All right, so I can't get rid of my hiccups, and he has. Can you hold this for a sec?
Yeah.
I can't get rid of my hiccups, and he apparently has the best cure for it.
So the best way to cure hiccups, put somebody on the spot. Hiccup right now for me. Keep asking them, give me a hiccup right now. Like, give me hiccup right this second. No, right now, come on, can you hiccup right now? Do it right now, come on, man. Give me a hiccup.
I'm trying.
Keep trying. The thing is, if he keep trying to do a hiccup, he's on the spot. He's thinking about this too much, and he cannot hiccup no more. Come on, hiccup.
And I don't know what.
And that's over. He cannot hiccup anymore. I cured his hiccups right now. Look at him. He doesn't hiccup anymore. Well, give me one. Come on.
I've tried.
You see? Easy.
I'm finally cured!
Yes!
Yes!
Life hack. You like my life hack?
I love it. Cheers.
Look how much sweat I have.
Close grip, ass out, and just bring it in. I just find that as you're doing this, you get a lot more